Hello and welcome to another ASD Tech Tips video cast. The purpose of today's video cast is to show you how you can add YouTube content to My Big Campus so it's available for student viewing. First thing you need to do is you need to have a My Big Campus account. If you do not have a My Big Campus account, on the asdtechtips.weebly.com homepage, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a help page called My Big Campus Help. And over here under signing up, there's a PDF as well as a screencast video by me that walks you through how to create an account. So once you create an account, you need to go ahead and go to mybigcampus.com and log in. And basically there's two ways that you can add YouTube content. So as we're logging in here, I'm going to show you. The first way is your stuff. And first off, let me talk to you about the two different ways. There's your stuff and there's the library. Your stuff, you really can control where that video is and where students can access it. Once a video is uploaded into your stuff, you then can place it into any of your group pages. You can put it out as an announcement, in a discussion, things like that. If it's a library item, it's actually in like My Big Campus's version of YouTube. It's a huge library of videos that your students then have to search for, or you also could link it as a library item too. So one is more globally available and one is more controlled. So let's start off by showing you your stuff. So if you click on your stuff here on the left, you go up here underneath add and it'll ask you for YouTube video. Okay, and it'll say what's the YouTube address. So if you go to YouTube, if you know the video, here's some of my ASD Tech tips. I have this one on how to use Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Pause it so you don't have to hear me. I'm just going to grab the URL up here, hit Control C for copy, and go back to my Big Campus tab. I'm going to paste in the URL, hit Get Info. It automatically pulls in all of the meta-tag information from YouTube, so it's got the title, the description. You can tag it. If you're going to use this in the library later, tagging is very important because then students can search for it by tag. So if I tag it ASD Tech, and then select a category, I'm going to take mine technology, but you might take yours math or language arts depending on what area, and select a grade level. So mine is for teachers of all grade levels, so I'm going to select all. And then I'm going to hit add. Okay. Now it's in my stuff. So if I go to one of my groups here, if I scroll down and go to one of my test groups here, here's my practice group. If I'm in a discussion as a teacher, if I'm in an announcement as a teacher, and there's a video I want them to see, I might say, hey, I might say, check out this video. I'm going to hit a library. I'm going to hit your stuff. How to use Instagram was the name of my video, and I'm going to hit post. Now in the announcement feed of my practice group, it's right here. My students can go on, even though this is a YouTube video, my students will be able to go on, hit play, and be able to watch this video. Pretty cool. All right. So again, only people in this group will be able to see this video because it's posted there. It's controlled by me. It's in my stuff. I could then share it with any of these groups because it's always available in my stuff. Okay. If I wanted it more globally available, I could click on library, and it's as simple as adding new YouTube video. Same exact process you just did, but what this does, it puts it into this global library, as you see here, of all these videos. Some of you may not even know this exists. There are all sorts of other videos that other My Big Campus teachers have posted, and it's separated by those tags, so those content areas. You could search. There might be videos on here that you would use in your content area. So I will go ahead and give it a look. But so again, it's the exact same process. So then if I'm back in my groups here, I could add a library item. It's the same process. The only difference is this video, because I added it through my stuff or your stuff, is only available to the people I choose to share it with. If you put it in the library, it's available for anyone on My Big Campus to see. So that's how you would share a YouTube video with your students for student use. If you have an iPad, the My Big Campus app is free. You can download that app. You also could just go to Safari and type in www.mybigcampus.com, and you would be able to then click on your stuff, and on that iPad, you would see any of the videos that you've added to your stuff. So those of you who used to use the EVL before we upgraded, this would be the replacement for the EVL. You would then, instead of adding videos to the EVL, you now add it to your stuff or to the library in My Big Campus, and then you can access it on the iPad or on your computer, or students get to check that with student devices as well. The cool thing about My Big Campus is it's available anywhere, so students could go home and access these videos. They could be anywhere, Starbucks, McDonald's, what have you. So this is how you add a video to a YouTube video into My Big Campus for student viewing. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or just school do it. Hopefully this helped. Have a great day.